In the beginning, there was nothing, or so we've been told. A single cataclysmic event, the Big Bang, sparked everything. Stars, galaxies, time itself. Science calls it the origin of the universe, a pristine moment of cosmic perfection, 13.8 billion years ago, when all matter and energy erupted from a point smaller than an atom. But what if that story's a lie? What if the Big Bang wasn't some grand natural symphony, but a colossal screw-up, an alien lab accident that's been spiraling out of control ever since? Welcome to a theory that'll make you question everything. Our universe is the result of bored extraterrestrial scientists tinkering with a reality generator, dark matter's their spilled coffee, and humanity? We're just the mold growing in their forgotten petri dish. And the scariest part? They're still out there, debating whether to hit the reset button. Let's set the stage. Imagine a sterile lab, light years beyond our comprehension, where beings with intellects we can't fathom are running experiments. Not gods, not creators in the divine sense, just researchers, maybe a little too curious, maybe a little too reckless. They've built a device, a reality generator, designed to simulate pocket universes. It's cutting-edge tech, even for them. Quantum fields calibrated to ignite matter, space-time warped into existence with a flick of a switch. One day, they crank the dials too far. Maybe it's a rookie intern, maybe it's sabotage. Doesn't matter. The machine overloads, and boom, 13.8 billion years ago, our universe explodes into being. Not elegant, not intentional, just a mess of energy and particles spilling across their workbench. That's the Big Bang, not a birth, but a blunder. Now, science backs this up more than you'd think. The cosmic microwave background, that faint glow we detect everywhere in space, is hailed as the Big Bang's echo. But what if it's just residual heat from their malfunctioning equipment? Astrophysicists say the universe expanded faster than light in its first moments, a phase called inflation. Sounds like a controlled process, right? Or maybe it's the panicked overcompensation of an alien tech trying to stabilize a runaway reaction. And then there's dark matter, 27% of the universe's mass, invisible, mysterious, holding galaxies together. Scientists can't explain what it is, only what it does. What if it's not a natural phenomenon? What if it's the cosmic equivalent of coffee stains, some exotic substance from their lab that leaked into our reality, gumming up the works and keeping this accidental universe from collapsing entirely? Here's where it gets personal. Life on Earth, us, the trees, the bacteria, it's all too weird to be random. The odds of carbon-based organisms arising from primordial soup are astronomical. Yet here we are, thriving on a rock orbiting a mid-tier star. Biologists point to evolution. But what if we're not the product of chance? What if we're the unintended side effect, the mold that started growing when they left their busted experiment unattended? Think about it. Mold doesn't need a purpose. It just spreads. We've built cities, launched rockets, probed the stars, all while those alien scientists might not even notice us. To them, we're microbes in a dish they forgot to autoclave, a footnote in a failed trial run. But they're not clueless. The Fermi paradox, why we haven't found alien life despite the universe's size, takes a dark turn here. Maybe they're silent because they're watching, observing this mess they made. The Planck satellite mapped irregularities in the universe's structure, tiny fluctuations that don't quite fit a perfect Big Bang model. Could those be traces of their interference, attempts to tweak the experiment after the fact? In dark energy, 68% of the universe, accelerating its expansion, might be their latest fix, stretching this reality thin so it doesn't implode before they decide what to do. Because that's the kicker. They're still out there, arguing over the data. Scrap it? Sterilize it? Or let it run? See what these weird little mold spores do next? So next time you look up at the night sky, don't see beauty or mystery. See a lab spill that got out of hand? The stars? Debris from their broken machine. The void? Their negligence. We're not the center of creation. We're the glitch they can't agree to fix. And if they ever do, well, let's hope they're too distracted to hit that big red button labeled terminate. Because out there, beyond the galaxies, the real question isn't how it all began. It's whether they'll bother to clean up their mess or just toss us in the cosmic trash.